I wanted to touch on something that I get asked almost all the time, and that is, what should I charge? Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya, a business coach, marketing strategist, and launch copywriter. And on this channel, we'll help you create businesses that serve you and that you no longer need an escape from. Well, on today's episode, I wanted to touch on something that I get asked almost all the time, and that is, what should I charge? In my audience, I find myself with a lot of social media managers, virtual assistants, coaches, consultants, agency owners that are just starting out at the time, sometimes, and they are not sure what they should charge and how they should charge when somebody is interested to work with them. Now, on a previous video, which I'll link somewhere up here, I touched on what you should think about when you are thinking about pricing your services, pricing your offers. But today, I'm going to speak about what you should not do. The number one thing that I often find that people do is default back to charging an hourly rate. Now, there is nothing wrong to charging an hourly rate. I also still do it sometimes when I offer VIP days or special sessions. However, there is a logic to doing it and a way to do it that does not end up harming your business. Now, what I say to the majority of my clients is that you want to move away from charging an hourly rate. Why? Charging an hourly rate still keeps you in employee mode. Now you just have changed bosses. You are your own boss, yes, but you are still an employee. So the one thing you want to do is move away from that mentality. The reason why you started a business was because you wanted freedom. You wanted more money, more time, and time to enjoy the things that you love the most. Now, how do you do that when you have to sell your time to make money? It no longer makes sense. So you have traded one boss for another boss. And the reality is now, in order to make the kind of income that you want, you are going to have to work really hard, and you end up working sometimes twice as hard than when you were working for somebody. Now, why would you do that? Then you might as well keep a job, right? So the one thing you want to do when you are creating your offers, when you want to start selling your expertise, you want to create offers. You want to create offers of what you are going to sell. Now, you may have a number of packages that you could sell as a social media manager or as a virtual assistant or as a coach. But the core of the entire business should be that you have offers. Now, with these offers, you want to price it as high as possible. Don't price it as low as possible, because you are going to do yourself a disservice, because you are going to be selling, but you are not going to enjoy it, and you're going to start resenting your clients. The other reason why you want to charge as high as possible is that eventually, as your business grows, because you are going to grow, this is the aim, you are going to want to have help, because the key to having freedom in your business is the ability to get help into your business. Now, if you don't charge your worth, you will not be able to get help. And you will not, because you will not be able to pay for help. So you will end up feeling burned out. So the number one thing that you want to do is create packages. Now, let me give you an example. You're a social media manager. You could have an entry-level package, a middle package, or a more expensive package, which will be a VIP package. And that's what you end up offering when somebody approaches you after discovery call or before and asks for what you offer, what you can do for them. You offer those packages. Now, because you offer those packages, you are no longer trading time for money. You are going to trade the outcome for the money. So you have to be able to promise a particular outcome that you are going to deliver on, irrespective of the time that you end up spending doing it. So let's say for coaching, for example, I coach on one-on-one basis. We meet once a week. We meet once a week, but I have a way that I do it that you still feel that you are getting the value of what you are paying for, and I don't have to trade my time my time to get on calls all the time or work all the time. So we meet once a week for an hour with my clients, but there's a way to do it. That way, I no longer trade time for money. I am trading the outcome for the money. So let's say, for example, you are signing up for the Easy Sales program. Easy Sales program, the aim is to help you close your first 3, 4, 5 clients, high ticket clients, so that you can make a minimum of at least $5,000. Now, that is the outcome that we are looking at. Yes, there is an offer in place that helps you achieve that, but it doesn't mean that I have to work continuously. So I'm no longer trading my time for money. And that also allows me to ask a lot more money than if, let's say, I was just trading my coaching hours and say that I'll meet you for an hour. So I cannot sell an hour of coaching for what I am charging for easy sales, for example. So this is something that you want to start implementing in your business. Now, if you don't know how to do it and you would like to assistance in doing it, Easy Sales is currently open for enrollment. You can click on the link down below, book an appointment with us, and we will see how we can assist you in actually growing and scaling your business. On this note, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think when it comes to pricing. Do you still prefer charging per hour, or do you prefer charging per package? I would love to hear what your thoughts are, and I will leave you for now and see you guys next week. Bye bye.